guys, styrene relics. I'm at Walmart. You ain't gonna believe this. They must have brought these out just for Christmas. And this bad boy is full of stuff. And all kinds of cool stuff. That truck would be cool to have. So they're out there. This stuff is out at Walmart. Just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's out here. And cement trucks. Looking like price on the cement truck is $32. And I've got two of these in my hand right now. And looks like I'm thinking $23. So if that's the case, I'm buying them both. So anyways, wasn't planning on buying anything out here, but looks like I'm gonna have to. So little short video. I gotta dig through this stuff before I miss something that I'm gonna regret. So alright guys, check your Walmarts. Talk to you later. Bye.